everyone's friend. Whichever world I go, I just blend. All languages I speak, no doubt I'm so unique. I listen to their stories, I share some of mine. And when I gain some knowledge, my antenna shines. I am an alien, I'm everyone's friend.
The Bird and the Monkey. One day, Gugu saw that a dog was trying to advise a cat about not going near the lion's den. But the cat refused to listen and told the dog that the lion was indeed friendly and the cat had found favour in his eyes. Gugu told the dog to keep quiet and let its friend, the cat, find out for himself whether he should have listened to you or not. Having said that, Gugu went on to tell a story to the dog. There lived a group of monkeys in the mountains. Once, during winter, there were suddenly heavy rains. Drenched in the rain, they began to shiver in the cold. At this time, some of the monkeys found some colourful Gunja fruits, and they mistook those fruits to be embers of fire. They started to blow at them, hoping to make some fire to beat the cold for themselves. A bird on a nearby tree was watching the monkeys from above. The bird knew that it was a Gunja fruit and not embers of fire. Looking at the vain attempts the monkeys were busy with, it thought of advising them against it. The bird told the monkeys that they were fooling themselves and wasting their time blowing some Gunja fruit, thinking it is embers of fire while it is not. It told them that they could never make any fire out of them. It advised them that they were totally wasting their time, as the fruits would never help them to protect themselves against the cold. The bird told the monkeys to instead go and find some shelter for themselves. It told them that they might as well find a cave or a burrow where they will be protected from the rains and the cold winds. The monkey did not seem to like the bird's advice. One of the old monkeys even screamed at it, asked it to mind its own business without interfering in their task. But the bird was not willing to listen. It did not heed what Old Monkey had told and flew down from the tree and persisted that the monkeys stop what they were doing. The monkeys ignored this chatter, but the bird refused to stop. In an effort to convince the monkeys, the bird came close to explain that their efforts were useless. Already frustrated by their vain efforts, the monkeys became furious. One of the monkeys caught hold of the bird and smashed it against the ground. The bird got severely wounded. So Gugu went on to tell the dog that advice should never be given unless asked for it.